product that I recently discovered that has been a game changer in my cooking routine. This is the all spray bottle. First off, the design of this all spray bottle is sleek and ergonomic, making it easy to handle and use. The pump on this mister produces an even spray, so you can easily control the amount of oil you use. This is great for those who are health conscious and want to cut down on excess oil in their cooking. The best part about this all spray bottle is that it dispenses oil in mist form, which evenly spreads it over your food, making it more delicious without wasting oil. And if you want more mist, just press the container to the end and press quickly to get even more mist. Cleaning this all spray bottle is also a breeze, as every part of it can be disassembled and cleaned separately. Plus, the dispenser is easy to install, making it a hassle-free experience for all. So, if you're interested in making your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable, be sure to check out this product. Link in the description.